Welcome to Brain Vision.
Right, when we look at these diagrams, our goal in figuring out if it's a weak or strong acid is to really look at the pictures to see if the acid is ionized or not. So if the acid is completely ionized, it's probably going to be a strong acid. And if it's not very ionized, it's a weak acid because there's not much dissociation or not much ionization happening. So when we look at that first one, we do see that most of those species are unionized. So there's not much dissociation happening. There's not much breaking apart happening. So that means that it is a weak acid. There we go. All right. For the next one, we can see that there's some iodide ions there. When we find iodide ions, that means if we're looking at acidic solutions that it came from HI, hydrogen iodide or hydroiodic acid, and that is one of our 6 strong acids. So the presence of that iodide ion does tell us that it is strong. Right, for the next one, we see more unionized ions there. So the formate ions are still attached to those hydrogens. So that means it's a weak acid because there's very, very little dissociation. And then finally, for our last one, we can see that nitrate ion, the NO3. So nitrate ions, if they're floating around on their own with the hydrogens separate, right, that means it's strong. And we know that nitric acid, HNO3, is one of our strong acids. Right? So HI and HNO3 are the 2 strong acids that we're given there.